Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a withdrawal from Maxpread. As you remember, I made a video about Maxpread not long ago about what the company is all about. It's an arbitrage platform, of course, and it's been absolutely huge. They are doing events, they are doing so many things, and it has been just mind-blowing to us all what it can do for us. I haven't made too many videos about it yet because I'm doing multiple platforms at the same time. So of course I have to make sure that I'm mentioning something about each platform as frequently as possible, but I haven't made a video about Maxpread in quite a while, so I thought, wow, it was time to do it, especially in English. So I'm going to show you how you can withdraw. Okay, so now when it comes to withdrawals, of course you would have to choose the finance tab. Okay, in order for you to withdraw, that's the option you would go to. That's how you would see your balance, your bonus account, and you would just simply would have to click withdraw. Okay, and of course you can see my withdrawal address in there already, and what you would have to do, you would obviously would have to type in manually the amount you would like to withdraw. Let's go back. I'm having the correct one. Yes, 166. Okay, and now this is my address, and then I would have to put the 2FA code in here, which is this, and then I would have to have the payment code, which is sent via email. Okay, these are the two codes that you will need to have. Okay, if you don't have that, then you cannot do anything. Okay, right, and I'm gonna click withdraw. Of course the fee is going to be 3%. Oh, code is outdated. Now just make sure you do it right, because then you would have to do it quickly. All right, let me just pause it for a moment. Okay, perfect. So just make sure you have those codes in time. I suggest you that you do the email code first, and then after the 2FA, and you're gonna be good to go, because it wouldn't time out, just like it did time out on me in the middle of the video. So anyway, congrats, your application will be processed for the withdrawal. Usually you get it on the next day or within few hours, depending how busy they are, how how many withdrawals they need to send out, and everything like that. So that's it, and you can see that my bonus account is 0.78. all right, so that's how it works, guys. And let me just show you the different portfolios here, the different plans on the left. So these are the different plans that you can have. All right, so if you really want to see results and you are not a team builder, you can just go for 1,000, 2,000, 500, stuff like that. And then the way you would deposit is very similar to the other platforms. So I could say it's exactly the same, actually. The other platforms that I'm in is basically, when you log into your back office, you would have to click deposit first. Okay, so whatever amount you would want to have, I don't know, 2,500, you are going to deposit in USC in TRC20. Okay, and you're just gonna choose your network. Of course, you can just do the TRC20. That's how I did mine too. And you just have to follow the steps, and as soon as the money is in your main account, you go to plans. Okay, and you're going to purchase your plan. Okay, in here it wouldn't show you upgrade, it would just actually show you purchase. Okay, and that's how you do it. So yeah, that's it. It's an awesome platform as well. It's going to last for a long time, I'm pretty sure, because the numbers show it, the numbers prove it. So this is something that is really worth looking into. And of course you can share it with your teams, you can share it with your leaders, you can share it with anybody, and then let's go from here. So let's take it to the stars as well. And yeah, I'm excited about Maxpread, because I think It's going to be a life-changing for so many people. They don't overpay. They don't have huge numbers that they cannot afford to pay out. So I think it's going to be here for quite a while. So I'm glad and excited about that. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I showed you how to withdraw from Maxpread. If you're interested in joining the platform, of course, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description of this video so you can join. I showed you how to fund. I showed you how to fund your account, how to purchase your plan. So I think you will be good to go. All you need is a USDT TRC20 in order for you to join this platform. So it's easy peasy, nothing complex. If you don't have USDT TRC20, you can always send me any coin that you have, and I can just send you I can just send you the USDT TRC20, and you will be good to go. All right, so just don't worry about it. You know, I will be able to help. Okay, so yeah, if you have any other questions or anything that you would like to ask me, or any concerns, anything that doesn't work, you have a problem, you don't know, you know, some technical issues or whatever, you can always reach out to me via Telegram, via email, and I will be happy to help. So thanks so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one, and take care.